In an ABC 17 News alert, a ball of fire is seen for miles around downtown Columbia this morning. Our crews catch a fight to save the Brookside Apartments across from Stevens College campus as the sun comes up. It's already one of the most expensive fires in the city's history. And tonight, the efforts range from ongoing investigations to road closures. And now hundreds of students are in limbo trying to figure out where they'll live this fall. Now, College Avenue is closed tonight at two different intersections, Ash Street and Walnut Street. That's where ABC 17's Evan Millward is live. And Evan, actually, since you've been out there, fire crews have been called back out just within the last 30 minutes.
Well, yeah, about 15 minutes ago. I'm just going to get out of the way. You can see fire crews are back out at this scene because hot spots have been flaring up across the property and what's left of this construction site. Now, we still don't know a cause, what may have started this blaze. They aren't ruling anything out. And again, those hot spots all across the property are starting to flare up. This was a construction site, so luckily no one was living here at the time. But only one part of that building that was under construction remains. It's a $7 million loss.
And then the closer you got, you've seen fire up in the sky.
Terry Brooks delivers newspapers and found the flames around 5 a.m.
Actually, balls of fire that was falling on the ground.
And heat so intense it melted stoplights and cracked windows across College Avenue. Columbia Fire called 3 alarms. 40 firefighters and all 12 trucks it has in service. 12 hours after fire investigators arrived here on scene, they're gone, and construction crews are back. Nikki Stakanis and Brianna Savella were going to be neighbors at Brookside.
I saw my room. I watched them demolish the exact room I was going to be living in.
Now they're left looking for a new place to live.
I don't really know what the next option is.
One of those options has come out this evening in an email from Brookside. They've laid out a couple of ways those future residents can handle this situation. The company says it expects the 30 units roughly that are in the FAR building to be ready to go by the time fall semester starts or shortly after. But there is a clause in the lease for this property that any resident that wants to terminate that lease because of a disaster like this one can do so. The company's also working with Stevens College to try and provide temporary housing for anyone who does want to move in when these units are ready. I'm told that they do expect to have this entire property rebuilt shortly after winter semester starts in 2013. Reporting live in Columbia, Evan Millward, ABC 17 News.
All right, thanks, Evan. And we'll, of course, continue to head back out to him as firefighters are still on scene there tonight.